Hi everyone, this is CSTOYS International one more time. Now, we have received that one package here, all right, and it says that from Bandai Customer Center. Yeah, there we go. And so I was wondering, well, let's open this one first, okay? Well, I'm glad that unboxing. There we go. Let's see what's in there. Okay, so it's box here, and when I open this, several items here. First, we have the envelope, and it looks like we got the letter inside, and the shipping labels. Okay, and also here's the parts. Okay, and see this. We will show you. I will show you that later on. But this is, I believe, this is the the one. Yes, Gundam Legacy, right? And this is the S.H.Figuart, the PreCure, the Cure Sunshine's face parts. Remember that we talked about the missing ear on her. We called that the other day, and just boom, it's right here. Bandai is very, very concerned about these, loose parts or fading parts. So it's here. Nicely, something extra. See this? Looks like a handkerchief. Let's open. Whatでしょう? Bandai さんありがとう。心ばかりの品を同封させていただきますのでお受け取りください。お客様相談センター。This is from the Bandai's customer support center, and this is something small gift for you, and please accept it. We do, we do accept it. Thank you very much, Bandai. And this is the nice handkerchief, beautiful. Okay, I thought that was a PreCure handkerchief, but it is not. Okay, so, but I noticed that something to go with the Cure Sunshine, I guess. ありがとうございます。Okay, thank you. Your feeling is accepted. Okay, no, but I don't have the bad feeling. I'm sorry. I know for the Bandai, because they do the very wonderful, wonderful work. But the quality control issue is always something that our customers are very concerned about this. And so yep. Thank you very much. And we have received that, I think, the better. Okay, so yes. And the thing is that, Bandai is going to change, send us the brand new parts. And they're going to then want us to send the parts back to Bandai. So they need to make sure that they need the evidence, of course. That's understandable. So, so I have to fill out that. No, I don't have to fill out. Nice. They already fill out the addresses here, and so we can just ship it back. Okay. So let's see what's that. The good, the latest parts is. Okay, I must say this is the invoice. Yeah. Look at that, bubble wrapped. Their service is great. You see this? Now this is a normal face, okay, and has both ears. You can see that both earpiece. Yeah, it's triple wrapped. So I don't have to open this one. Now I will show you what happened with that, this one, the one that is has no ears. So we need to send this part back to them. Yup. Okay, here's her. Isn't she cute? Okay. Now I hope you can see this one. See that? She doesn't have any ears. And the other side? The other side has that, she has an ear, but no color on her piece. So we need to get the her face off. 1 second. Okay. All right. So I take the parts. I got the parts. I need to replace it with the brand new piece. Okay, like this. Oh wait. Oh yeah, there you go. Now, you see that? Oh, the other side. See? Now she has the ears. Much better. Much better. Okay. Very nice. All right. So, the challenge remains for these items, because that this is open items, and because that Bandai expect not sending us back the whole package. So this is still unboxed. I mean, this is a boxed items. It's not a new, it's not a brand new items anymore. All right, and so that's our responsibility will be, I guess, to cut the prices a little bit lower, and we'll be selling these items. Okay, so someone will get lucky. All right, everything isn't perfect, except it is open. So I hope you can get this. There you go. Okay, so it's, oh sorry, upside down, upside down. And so I will fix that. Okay, and so these items will be selling as an unboxed one, and so watch out for that. And okay, we'll come back to our stores very soon. Probably not the tomorrow activations, but the well, we'll bring that announcement. Okay. Yeah, open items. I think it was a 10% or something like that. Okay. Yes. So it's a good luck. I mean, a good discounted price will be. Yeah, it's practically, it's a brand new. It is. Just the only thing is that it's being opened and replaced with the new parts. So it's good conditions, of course. Okay. So thank you very much, and thank you to the Bandais, and I'm going to send them. Oh wow, her face. Look at this. See that? Her ear is chopped off. And the other side looks very painful. No color on the her pierce. So yeah, talk about the quality control, and I'm sure that they're going to work on it. I hope someone get. I hope that no one get laid off or anything. Okay. Yeah, I understand it's a small mistake, but it does affect the Bandai's brand image. So I'm sure they won't give it a big axe or anything. Okay, so I'm going to send this package to, I mean, this, parts to Bandai. What's this? Like this. Okay, just the invoice that I have received it. Yep, I have received it. Thank you. And I need to put this box in here, and I will sheet it and put it again and send back to the Bandai. All right. So thank you very much, Bandai, for your great support, and we always appreciate that you fast and quick respond on this one, and that's why we can trust in Bandai's quality control is an issue that they can work on it, but what I like is that they're quick respond, something that we can learn for the CS2 International as well. All right, so thank you very much, everyone, and this has been the live recording from the CS2 International. We will continue, and we have the one more. One more? Okay, we have one more announcement, okay, about the tomorrow's activations. We'll come back and we'll continue today's packing. And look at that, the next one is pretty good, huh? All right, thank you very much, and we'll come back to you.